gracious presence, and of course your full on support from beginning to end. Thank you so much. Before extending my vote of thanks, I would like to request all the dignitaries to be on dais. There is a small gratitude from Nasim towards all the esteemed speakers. May I request Shri Harshvardhan Anandra Umre, who is Additional Director General from National Academy of Customs, Indirect Taxes and Narcotics. Kindly, I would like to request Shri Umre to kindly extend your gratitude to Professor E. Vijay Kumar Singh, who is a Director CSSIP, IIP, and former Dean from School of Social Sciences, Manipur University. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to request Mr. Umedi to kindly extend your gratitude to Dr. Sanam Mehta, who is the Deputy Director from MSME Technology Center, Ministry of India. Thank you so much. I'd like to request Shri Vigyan Lenin, who is a branch manager from Northeast Small Finance Bank. Thank you so much.
Basically, this is the special calendar for the Northeast region that we have made in last year.
Thank you so much. Yeah, we have Professor Mehta. Unfortunately, he had to rush to the airport. So, Professor Mehta, he had actually. Oh, that's for me. Oh yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much once again for the lovely gathering, and good afternoon everyone. It has been such an honor to be a part of this wonderful event, and on behalf of Indian Chamber of Commerce, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guest, starting from Shri Harshvardhan Anandra Umre, Additional Director General from National Academy of Customs, Indirect Taxes and Narcotics, India. I would like to extend my special thanks to Professor E. Vijay Kumar Singh, Director CSSIP and former Dean from School of Social Sciences, Manipur University. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. I would also like to extend my thanks to Dr. Sanam Mehta, who is the Deputy Director from MSME Technology Center. He's from Ministry of MSME, Government of India. Thank you so much, Dr. Mehta, for being today here. I would also like to extend my thanks to Shri Vigyan Lenin, who is the branch manager from Northeast Small Finance Bank, Imphal, from Manipur. I would also like to extend my thankfulness to Dr. Archana Nath, Senior Business Development Manager from Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, from Ministry of Commerce and Industries, Government of India. And also I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Professor Egohar Mehta from MIMS Manipur University for giving us the opportunity being partner to organize this workshop. I would also like to inform, today it's basically the beginning of these 2 days of workshop. Tomorrow we have another series of sessions, which is again very important. Just for your information, probably you can have a look in your agenda. We are going to have series of speakers starting from the virtual address on trademark, registry patents, copyright and GIs, which is very important for all the entrepreneurs and the industries, because IP is something, it safeguards our industries and sectors. So this will be session by Shri P.K. Bakshi, who is a designated IT attorney of ICC Intellectual Property Facilitation Center. Let me introduce about this facilitation center. Indian Chamber of Commerce is also having a facilitation center for intellectual property rights, which is located in Guwahati. And this is again under the Ministry of MSME. So kindly just be there for this session, because this will definitely give you a lot of information about IP rights. And of course, tomorrow we also have Shri Baite, who is a joint director and also head of operation from MSME DFO Imphal, Manipur, from Ministry of MSME. Why I am specifying this name just immediately after Mr. Bakshi, because under the Ministry of MSME you have a lot of subsidies if you are registered under MSME. So these features are going to help you out to gain more information. Then also we will have tomorrow Mr. Vikram Kumar. He is a branch manager from Sadhvi, who is representing from Imphal. We will also have Mr. Ratnesh Mishra, Assistant General Manager Technical from Central Grade Housing Corporation. We will also have Assistant General Manager Shri Happali Bismarck from State Bank of India, Imphal. We are going to have Mr. Kiran Singh, who is DDM Manager from Nepal, from Imphal. Then we will have Shri Lemley Loy, who is a General Manager from Netflix. So these are the eminent speakers we are going to have, and of course, very important, needless to say, we will also have, and we would like to request Professor Vijay Kumar Singh sir, you under your session chairmanship, we can have all the discussions. So we would like to request you if we can have your presence tomorrow. So coming back to my word of thanks, would like to let you know, like this workshop, these 2 days workshop which has been organized by Indian Chamber of Commerce in association with Manipur University, of course under the aegis of Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. And so that's, we would like to extend our thanksgiving to Ministry of Commerce for giving us the opportunity also to organize the series of these capacity building workshops in Manipur. I would also like to extend my thanksgiving to Manipur University, who has given us the opportunity to use your expert team, your property, where we can have such kind of a successful workshops. I would also like to extend my thanks to all the entire teams, starting from the IT team. Thank you so much, Mr. Tilokchan. Thank you so much, Dr. Suresh, for supporting us, and of course, all the staff, all the team, and the volunteers who been giving us a lot of support from the beginning. Thank you, everyone. And of course, sincere thanks to all the heads of the various departments who handled the day for this workshop, and a wide round of applause to all the delegates today we are present. Thank you so much to everyone for your presence, and we are expecting your presence tomorrow as well. Thank you, and thank you so much. Let's begin for the lunch. Now we are at the end of the session of day 1. Thank you, everyone.